Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see in the title, we are doing our nighttime routine. So it gives you an idea of what some of our nights look like. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Our nights start a little after dinner time. I like to get Emma's PJs out for her so they can be ready after her shower.
I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor.
Now that she is dressed, she will have some free time to play, and she wants to start by listening to some music. And we want to show you this Bluetooth lamp that was sent to us. This video is not sponsored, it's just something they wanted us to try out. It has 2 light settings and of course Bluetooth, so she is listening to her favorite music. I will have this linked in the description box if you are interested.
I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too?
While Emma has playtime, I will take this time to let the doggies out and tidy up around the house.
Baby, call me anytime, I can come and save you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you.
And you got me too. Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me.
And now that that is done, I'm going to go ahead and give Chura her medicine. She has a sensitive stomach, so the vet put her on this medication for 7 days.
But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else, and I will have to let her go. She will never know never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She will never know, nah, nah. Never know, nah, nah. She'll never know. You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride.
Thank you so much for watching. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.